Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Jordan and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. If you are new here, I'm gonna invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my posts. Guys, you need to click the bell. I just want to thank you guys so much for the love and support that I have received from you guys over these past short few months that I've been here on YouTube. I really do appreciate the love and support from you guys. So let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, so today I'll be reviewing the BH Cosmetics Fairy Lights palette. This is what it looks like. And I use this palette to create this look that I am currently rocking. What do you think? What do you think? Hold your thoughts. Let's jump into this tutorial. Now, I did mention that I'll be doing this review in one of my previous videos. If you have not seen that video, I'm gonna link it in the iCards above, so be on the lookout for that. And also today's tutorial is featuring my fluffy eyebrows. Have you seen that tutorial? If you have not, I will also link that in the iCards above, so be on the lookout for that. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking some tape, don't judge me, and I'm gonna be plopping that onto the outer section of my eye. Boom, just like that. Time to reveal what the palette looks like. I'm gonna be giving you guys, you know, an up close and personal look at the palette. So this is what the palette is looking like. The palette comes with 20 very beautiful colors. I made a little video the other day featuring this palette, but I wanted to do something, you know, something natural, but you know, it has a little poppiness to it, if you get what I'm saying. Looking at this palette, I think I want to be playing around with, I'm going to be playing around with some nudes and maybe a little bit of radiant. Radiant is this little number here, so I may play around with that, but everything that I use I'm going to be mentioning in my tutorial. So the first thing we're gonna be doing right now is we're gonna prime our eye. I'll be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this is in True Beige. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that onto both my eyelids. And then we're just gonna go ahead and brush that in. I'm gonna go into the palette and I'm gonna be picking up the shade Bliss. I'm gonna be doing a cut crease, so I'm gonna be using Bliss to outline the shape that I want my cut crease to have. I'm gonna go in using a very light hand, and I'm gonna use Precious to do the first blending of the shape that I made, and then I'm gonna be using Radiant as the second shade to blend everything together. It is blending well. You can see this eye as compared to this eye. You can actually now see the difference in terms of me blending. So I'm just gonna go into Radiant to add a little pop of color. Don't want to get carried away with Radiant because I just want something very soft, very natural. And now that I like how that eye is doing, I'm gonna repeat it on the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so to cut the crease today, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Natural. I'm going to be using Darling first, and then I'm going to be putting Brilliant on top of Darling. Now going back in with my blending brush, I'm going to be pricking up precise again, and I'm going to be blending in the edge of my cut crease with the outer section of my eyes, just to bring everything into place. So I'm going in now with Bliss, just focusing it on the outer section of my eyes, just to intensify the color to make it darker. So now I'm gonna be going in with MAC liquid eyeliner. And now guys, I'm gonna repeat that on the other eye and I will be back. Alright guys, so let's finish off this look. So now I'm gonna go off camera and finish up this look and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I popped some lashes on. I added a little bit of my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sugar highlighter to underneath my eyebrows as well as my usual spots. I did my lip combo, and now I'm just gonna finish off the look by... Alright, so going back into my Anastasia Glow Kit, I'm gonna pick up this shade because I believe it mimics the shade Brilliant perfectly. So I'm gonna be picking up this color and I'm gonna be putting it in my inner tear duct to add a pop of color there. I'm also going to go back in under my brow bone again with a little more of that shade and a little bit. Okay guys, this is the final look. So I would love to hear from you guys down in the comment section. What are your thoughts on this look? But before I jump into that, final thoughts on the BH Fairy Lights palette. I do think the colors, they blend fairly well. I have used palettes that have blend, you know, better than this, give me a more dramatic effect, but it's not bad. It's not bad. So out of a 10, I would rate this palette a 7 out of 10, just because I do think that the color, for example, that I used on my lid, it turned out really well. Instantly as I started to apply it, I started to see that color come through, so I really like it. This final look, So I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section if you have ever tried this palette, or if you're thinking about buying this palette, what do you think overall, how the colors blended and how everything turned out. And as per usual, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot believe we are almost at 300 subscribers. Who would have thought after starting YouTube just 2 months ago that I would be here? But yeah guys, thank you so much for your love and your support. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video or tutorial. Take care.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the dark, how close it starts.